what I would recommend, especially if you're a beginner and you're brand new to this industry, what I would recommend that you get involved with in terms of getting low cost advertising, low cost traffic sources, is you want to go ahead and learn how solo ads work. I would go out there and invest money in solo ads. There is a strategy to learn to it. So before you start putting money into any solo ads from any solo ad provider, I would recommend that you take the time, excuse me, I would recommend that you take the time to invest into learning how that strategy works. And besides doing solo ads for your low cost traffic source, I would also recommend that you do social media as well for organic marketing. Because what I found from my own experience in marketing is I found that Facebook has been actually getting me leads, and I've been able to make a few sales here and there, and those results are climbing up. And now what I'm seeing is on YouTube and even just recently Instagram, I'm starting to see leads coming in from my videos, from what I'm posting on Instagram. So I would highly recommend that if you're brand new, also do social media for your not paid, but free form of marketing. So learn how solo ads work and stick to that strategy because that's the lowest cost for traffic source. And what you want to do is get involved with social media, learn how to market on social media. And that is a great way you can start building your list. You can start getting leads and you can start making sales. But I will caution you though, social media marketing takes some time. So keep that in mind.